Hi everyone, welcome to the Garment Sewing Basics class. My name is Sienna and I'm the content producer here at Seamwork. As I mentioned in our last class, I'm usually behind the camera as the videographer and video editor, but because of COVID-19, I'm filming and teaching this class here in my home studio with Otis. In this class, we picked a pattern that features a handful of garment basics. What do I mean by garment basics? Basics are details that you'll commonly find when sewing garments, like pockets, buttons, and buttonholes, bust darts, and collars. The Willis top has all of these. That's why it's an ideal pattern for exploring some fundamental sewing techniques. Willis is a sleeveless button-up with a relaxed, comfortable fit, but it features bust darts for some shaping. When you make it, you'll learn how to sew a button placket, stand collar, darts, bias tape, and this really cute patch pocket with a little button closure. There are two hemlines to choose from, a longer shirt tail hem and a shorter straight hem. The construction is exactly the same for both versions, but I'll be making both in this class so I can share different methods and tips for each step along the way. There are so many different ways to accomplish a sewing task, and part of the adventure is learning what works best for you. This button-up looks really great worn over skinny jeans or tucked into high-waisted pants or skirts. It's a great layering piece to wear under your favorite blazer or cardigan, and in issue 67 of Seamwork magazine, you can find 3 different hacks for Willis. In this class, I'll walk you through some fun fabric options, but keep in mind that this top is designed for wovens. In the next lesson, I'll cover fabric and supplies.